Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to connect HP Smart Tank 580 printer to Wi-Fi. Step-by-step wireless setup guide. Step 1. Turn on the printer. Plug in the printer and press the power button. Wait until the printer finishes its startup process. Step 2. Put the printer in Wi-Fi setup mode. Press and hold the information button until all control panel lights turn on. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons together for about 3 seconds. The wireless light will start blinking blue, indicating the printer is ready for Wi-Fi setup. Step 3. Install the HP Smart app. Download and install the HP Smart app on your phone, tablet or computer. Ensure your device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want the printer to use. Step 4. Add the printer. Open the HP Smart app. Click Add Printer or tap the plus icon. Select HP Smart Tank 580 when it appears in the list. Step 5. Connect to your Wi-Fi network. Choose your Wi-Fi network name SSID. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Step 6. Confirm the connection. Wait for the wireless light to stop blinking and remain solid blue. Print a test page to verify the connection. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.